Understanding the message embed is not a constructor error in Discord.js. If you're working with Discord.js to build a bot, you may encounter a perplexing error: message embed is not a constructor. This error can be frustrating, especially if you're new to the library or updating your code from an older version. Here's a breakdown of what this error means and how you can fix it. What is the message embed? Message embed is a class in Discord.js used to create rich, embedded messages. These can include features like titles, descriptions, fields, and color customizations, making your bot's messages more interactive and visually appealing. Why you're seeing this error? The message embed is not a constructor error typically arises due to a mismatch between your code and the version of Discord.js you're using. Discord.js has different versions, and the way you instantiate message embed can change between them. The most common scenarios for this error include old code with new version. If you're using code written for an older version of Discord.js with a newer version, there might be discrepancies in object constructors or method signatures. Incorrect import statement. Importing classes incorrectly or not updating your import statements can lead to this error. How to fix it? For Discord.js v12+. For newer versions of Discord.js, v12 and above, message embed should be imported from the Discord.js module. Make sure your import statement matches this pattern. The key takeaway here is to use object destructuring to import message embed. For earlier versions, v11 and below. If you're working with an older version of Discord.js, the way to instantiate message embed is different. For versions v11 and earlier, using RichEmbed instead of message embed is the correct approach. Updating your project. If your project relies on an older version of Discord.js, consider updating to the latest version to take advantage of new features and bug fixes. To upgrade, you can run. Once updated, ensure your code aligns with the latest Discord.js documentation. Conclusion. Encountering the message embed is not a constructor error, indicates a version or import mismatch in your Discord.js code. By understanding your project's specific version and using the correct import statement, you can resolve this issue efficiently. Always check the official Discord.js documentation for the version you are using to ensure compatibility. Happy coding!